As promised, here's a look at our Tesla Cybertruck project. It's fully wrapped. Let's take a look inside. For those that haven't seen one yet, you'll find that it is very minimalistic. Steering wheel is way down there. So, driver's perspective. See a lot of white trim. There's your cup holders. And your baby rear view mirror. Tiny little guy. Massive, massive, massive windshield. I already showed you the windshield wiper. And then to take a look at the back glass, you can't tell a lot. Your 285/65 R20s. Military green on this one.